Good morning everyone. My name is Adarsh and I am studying 8th class in Landscape School. Today I came from Nirgutapalli in Annamaya district. Today I made the working project of liver. Liver is the main respiratory organ in our body. It helps us to breathe and provide oxygen for us to live. Liver is present in the chest cavity and it is protected by the rib carriage. Liver consists of two livers. There are two livers, the right liver and the left liver. The right liver consists of three lobes and the left liver consists of two lobes. Inside the liver there are millions of tiny particles called as alveoli. Let us show how does the liver works. We can observe the liver bulges when we inhale and observe the liver return to its original position when we are not breathing. This is how the liver works.